guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be doing a tutorial on the Yummy challenge by Justin Bieber. So there is a TikTok version and I will be teaching you that, and then there's a dance that I taught my classes that I teach, and I will teach you that after. Okay, so let's get started. So for the TikTok version, this one's very easy. It's just for the chorus. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Yeah, babe. That's all it is. So, the first thing you do is your hands. They come up like you're licking your hands. So it goes, yeah, you got that yummy, yummy. And you can kind of sway into those as you do that. And honestly, I don't think it matters if you're going right or left because it is on TikTok. So you could do either way and it's fine. So one arm, two arms. Then your arms come above your head and you're going to body roll and sink, body roll, sink. So that's like chest, booty out, chest, booty out. And you don't have to pick up your feet, but I do. Okay? So it goes, yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy with your arms up. You drop them down, you lean forward. 1, 2, throw 3. You cross with a wave, and you can do open hands, whatever you want right there. Then you go 1 and 2 and whoa. 1 and 2 and whoa. It comes around, claps. And then you pull it in low, body rolls again. Body roll, body roll, body roll, body roll. Then you hip thrust, 1, 2, big body roll, and then you dab twice. Pop and pop and. Okay, so that's like, as you're stepping, your head is closing the gap. Closing the gap. Okay, so going over that, I'll walk it slow, like with pretending we're with the music, right? So it goes, yeah, you got that yummy, yummy with the hands. Yummy, yummy with the body rolls. Yummy, yummy, throw. Yeah, you got that. Yummy, 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 yummy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe. And that's it for the TikTok tutorial. See, that one's super easy. It's only like maybe a 10-second dance right there. For my dance, I broke it up into 3 sections, and the way I'm doing the 3 sections is the chorus, the pre-chorus, and the verse. So you're going to dance the same thing on the chorus and the pre-chorus, and on the verses, you can do the same choreography but kind of switch up the hands if you want, if you can figure that out. Okay, so part 1 is the chorus when he starts, and it goes straight into, yeah, you got that yummy, yummy. Okay, and this is, I'm going to reverse the count. So when I say right, you will be doing right. When I say left, you will be doing left. Okay, so to begin, you start with your right arm, and it sways in front of your face, and then your left arm, and then your right arm, and then your right arm takes a big sway. So you go right, left, 1, 2. Okay, and as we do that, we're going to be stepping out with our hand. So I'm going right hand, but going to the left. So right, left, right, right. Okay? Then my hand's going to come over and it's going to slide to my side, and I'm going to kind of plie deep. I don't go that low, but everybody else should, and if you can. And you kind of bounce. So like we're going to pretend we're in a Jeep and we're driving it, and we're on like a bumpy road, okay? So my arms are going to be bouncing and my hips are gonna be, you could either hip thrust with it, so like back, 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 or you can just bounce your knees as you do it, whatever you want to do right there. So right, left, right, right, pull through, bounce, bounce, bounce. On the fourth count, you open your hand and you throw it. So that's, yeah, you got that. Yummy, 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 yummy. Whew. You step together, so my left foot comes in. You grab the monkey bars and you throw them down. But as you do that, you're plie and you're going to jump up. Okay? You're going to punch down, turn around. Okay, then we go, as we turn around, we drop down on our legs. So this should be right knee bent, left knee on the ground. Okay, we're going to put our hand down, slide out, slide in. We're going to climb our rope, climb, 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 climb. But we're also going to move up as we do that. Climb, 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 climb. Once we get up here, we're going to body roll, crack. So my body roll is going into my rope. So with your nose, then your chest, then your butt sits down, and your elbows crack forward. So that's yummy. So you get here, you snake it, boom, and you're going to jump, feet together, 1, 2, turn, 3, 4, 5, throw it back, 6. So I kick up my right foot, but it really doesn't matter which foot you kick up. You're going to go, come here, what's good, let it go. Okay? Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. And that's those 3. So the bigger the jumps, the more fun. I do it small because I have a baby in my belly and I don't want to pee my pants. So it goes, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Then we're going to do okay fingers. So we're making the okay, right? We go cross our hands and open. And we're going to do it to the diagonal. Boom, boom. And that's like really tight, like robotic. Boom, boom. If you want, you can do your foot like I do. Boom, boom. You're going to open your hands. Open our hands. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's going to be a pretend rope right here. We're going to grab the rope and pull on it. As we pull on it, my left foot is going to slide in to the side. And then I'm going to pull up, head nod. Do the jumps one more time. Yeah, babe. Yeah, babe. Yeah, babe. Then it goes up. You swing up on the next part. Swing it up like you're looking at your watch. Day or night. Say, so you smack your lips like you kiss. Mwah. Smack it on your hand. Snake it this way. So, mwah, ha, snap, snap. Cool? Okay, so let's walk that part all together. Ready? It goes, yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Ha, ha. Yeah, you got that yummy, yummy. Slide out, slide in, roll it up, body roll, crack. Snake it in. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Da-da, da, da-da, da, da-da, da. Uh-huh. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Na 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 na. Da-da, da, da-da, da. And that's part 1. All done. Okay, so now part 2 is the verse. So we actually go from the chorus straight to the first verse. So after you just did the snake arms, you're going to go snake arms. You're going to either step or step open. Either one, it doesn't matter where your feet are, as long as they're parallel when you get here. Okay, so you can walk it and then get there, or you could just step together, whatever you want within the music, whatever you feel. Okay, you're gonna grab your tie, because we're gonna pretend we're in a nice suit, and we're gonna pull it up, and we're gonna scoop. So what's happening is my feet are, there's a bucket right there. I'm gonna kick the bucket. So kick the bucket on each side. So it goes one-a, ba-da-da. You're gonna drop. Your hands is gonna make a rainbow, and you're gonna go no, 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 no. And this is one of those parts that on the next verse you can change the hand gestures. So right here, you're gonna go ba-da-da-da, no, 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 no. Okay? And whatever you want on the hands with the verse. But right now he's talking about a stable, saying like, you don't want to do that, or no, you're not held down, something like that. And then he says, you're free to run or something. So you're going to run. You just hit a run. So you're going to go hard drop, 1, step up, 2. So it goes down, travel, travel, travel. No, drop, up, and. Okay, so now I'm like facing forward. Then he says to the side. He's talking about the side, like saying you're no side girl, right? You're going to push your hands here and around in. So you're going to step, replace, step, replace. So we're going to go step, replace, step, replace, step. So on the first one, we go step, replace, step. Then we're going to do it again. Replace, step. But this time, we're going nope. Okay. Well, actually, no. That's on the other verse. This verse, he says, you're number 1. So you could be like, number 1. Whatever you want right there. So you got your number 1. You're going to, like, act like you're done with something. Like, yeah, I just did that. You're going to drop low. And you're going to pretend to squish the bug. Bum, bum. But as you do that, your toes also squishing the bug. And it's going, get it done. Okay? So, ba-da. And then you slide up. Ba-da. Boom. Okay, so let's walk that whole section right there. So, from the beginning, you just went sway, sway. Okay? So, ba-da-da. You go step, cross, grab your suit and tie. Boom, pop, pop. You're going to drop down, walk it over, say a no, run, and up. Scuff it over, step, replace your number 1. And this is get it done. And that's the verse. So just remember, you can switch up your hand gestures according to what he's talking about, and then it will make a lot more sense. Okay, so now we are in part 3, and this is the pre-chorus. Okay, so it's when he goes 50-50, love the way you split it, 100 stacks, da-da-da-da-da, light a blunt, get litty, babe, whatever he's talking about. Okay, so we just did this part where we swivel, swivel. We're squishing the bug, okay? Then you just kind of slide your body up, and then we go into this. So we're going to go 50-50, and this is a 5-0, 5-0. 5-0, 5-0. And it just goes in my face, in my face. Then I'm going to make a heart. Love the way you split it. So as I'm doing that, I'm going to transition this way to the left. And I go 50-50, love the way you split it. Okay, but also when you do that, you want to kind of add chest pops. So 50-50, love the way you split it. Okay, then we're going to drop down with our right foot. We're going to left hand, right hand, left hand. you're going to go boom, boom, like you're pushing out money. And if you want, you can play with your hand, but it's really fast. Because he says, 100 stacks, bum, bum. And then you're going to turn to the side, and you're going to pretend, he says, light a match. You're going to pretend you have a match in your hand, and this is what you're lighting it on. So you go, ba-da-da. Your hand's going to sway through, and you're going to pretend it lit a fire. Fire, drop. And you kind of close the fire out. So 100 stacks, bum, bum, or bum, bum, boom, da, 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 drop. You're going to make a sunshine, bum, 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 and then you're going to pony around. Pony, 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 pony. So that's just going up on a toe, drop, up on a toe, drop, up on a toe, and you do it in a circle. And you just do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you could just kind of like swag out however you want to do it, like your little freestyle. And then it's done. Okay, so that is, let's walk that over real quick. So from 50-50 it goes 50-50, love the way you split it. Da-da-da, da-da-da, light a match, get litty. Da-da-da-da, and a da-da-da-da. Yeah, yeah. Right? And then you're doing your own thing. Okay? And that is combo. If you want to watch this video of me and my one of my classes dancing to it, you could just check out the video on my page. I posted it on there. So, okay? So, real quick, let's do a full run through, and then we'll be done. So, it goes from the very beginning. Yeah, you got that. Yummy, 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 yummy. Boom, ha. Yeah, you got that. Yummy, 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 yummy. Da-da, da. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Ba-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da. Uh-huh. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, say the word on my way. Bonafide stallion. I don't know. Something, something on the run. And to the side, you're number one. I do this and get it done. Boom. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 stacks, da-da-da, da-da-da, get litty, ba-da-da, and I'm bouncing, 'cause it's done. Ha, ha, yummy, yummy. Okay, so that's the combo. I hope that made sense. This is a crazy long video. And don't forget the TikTok version. And if you want, you can actually go follow my TikTok, and it's just my name. So at Shania Colvin, and you can see me do the TikTok version on there. And yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you want to learn anything else. And thank you. Happy dancing. Bye-bye.